Hello everyone, my name is Abdulaziz Mahnashi. Today I will present my project Solar versus Traditional Water Heaters. This project supports UN SDG 7 for affordable and clean energy. Why this comparison matters? This project covers traditional heaters with solar options. We want to save the family budget and protect the environment. I will cover six parts, including my home example, calculation, and my awareness activity. Traditional electric water heaters. Uh, let's look at the traditional electric heaters. We use a standard 200-liter unit from Saudi Ceramics. The problem is that it uses a lot of energy, around 4,500 watts from the grid. This makes electricity bills high and causes pollution. The solar alternative. The best alternative is the solar water heater. In my home, I use a Saudi Ceramics solar heater with the same 200-liter size. It runs on free sunlight. Its backup system uses only 3,000 watts, which saves a lot of energy every day. Official specifications. All data comes from Saudi Ceramics. The electric heater uses 4,500 watts. The solar heater uses only 3,000 watts for backup. This proves our numbers are accurate. Head-to-head comparison. The electric heater costs 90 riyal a month. The solar heater is free on sunny days and lasts longer. Solar saves 1000 riyal and 500 kilograms of CO2 every year. Running the numbers. My calculation shows that electric heating uses 6 kilowatt hour per day, costing 90 riyals a month. Solar completely saves this cost in summer. It is a great investment all year round. Ethical and social impact. Solar energy helps low-income families save money. It also creates local jobs and supports energy justice for everyone in society. Testing the message. I met with the 5 classmates, explained the solar heater project to them, and gave them a quiz. They easily understood the idea, showing that awareness is a key to using solar energy. These are the real results screenshots from Google Forms, including the students' names, their students' IDs, and their scores. All participants scored very high with average 92 out of 100, and everyone recommended using solar heater. And here are the 5 simple quiz questions I wrote and used in Google Forms to test their knowledge. In conclusion, solar water heater save money, protect the environment, and help families. Thank you very much for watching.